It's Miss Lee and I'm the cold stove girl. So today we're going on the farm go look 2 bananas to put in the pot. But them banana are young, them can't boil. Alright, so for breakfast, chew me an original egg bird. You know, egg half in it. Big up my mother cutting board a long time the boat. Callaloo, they look tired though. Now ask if I not steam them same way. Could have tired a little more. I weighed the francs last night, Callaloo. So I go still. I usually cut the plant them like this, but you want a particular look when I press them. When I press them, you will see what I talk. I don't know about you, but me love when my plant them well crispy. Nah, line up breakfast well bossy. Watch nice breakfast. Watch crispy plantain. Please do remember to subscribe, share, like, leave a comment now. Tell me what you think. Until next time, walk good.